Let's enable Samsung Galaxy AI. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, tap on Galaxy AI. And as you can see, currently, don't turn on my Galaxy AI. So I'm tapping on continue. And now we have to sign into our Samsung account to use Samsung Galaxy AI. So you can sign in with your Google account, you can sign in with your Samsung email or phone number, or you can sign in with QR code. I'm going to selecting sign in with Google and selecting my Samsung account Google ID, and here selecting all options and continue. And I have read and agree to all of the above, agree. And now it may ask you to verify your phone number, so I'm tapping here no, verify me another way, and go ahead and just verify your account. And now you can create a passkey for your Samsung account. I'm selecting here set up passkey later. And that's it. I have successfully signed into my Google Samsung account, as you can see. Now I can easily use Samsung Galaxy AI. Let's open my gallery and let's open a photo, for example, this photo, and tapping on this icon. And here I'm selecting sketch to image, and let's drawing something here, for example. Okay, now tapping on generate. And here we can see our avid ad date. So as you can see, my Galaxy AI is now working perfectly. So that's how you can actually do it. Thank you.